brands blow up online while others struggle to get even 10 likes? Why do some YouTube videos get millions of views while others disappeared into the void? And how is it that brands like Zomato, Swiggy and Nike always seem to know exactly what do you want, sometimes before even you do? Well, my friend, that's digital marketing at work. It is not magic, it is strategy. And the best part, you can learn it, master it and turn it into high-paying career. With businesses in India pouring billions into digital advertising, the demand for digital marketing is skyrocketing. Companies don't need marketers. They need people who know how to get attention, drive sales, and grow brand online. If you are curious about how to start a career in digital marketing, which job pay the most, and what skills you actually need to succeed, then you are in the right place. This video is your complete career roadmap to digital marketing in India. So stick around, because by the end, you will know exactly how to break into this booming industry. So let's get started. Okay, so why is digital marketing the career to get into right now? India's digital and market is set to cross rupees 50,000 crore in 2025. Over 70% of businesses now favor digital marketing over traditional marketing. Every startup, e-commerce brand, influencer and even local businesses need digital marketers. Basically, as long as people use the internet, digital marketers will always be in demand. And the best part, you don't need fancy degree to start. Now, let's talk about how your career can grow in this field. Here's what your digital marketing career path could look like. Number 1. Intern, fresher. Learning the basic and working on a small projects. Number 2. Digital marketing executive. Managing social media, SEO or paid ads. Number 3. Specialist. Becoming an expert in specific field like SEO, PPC or content. Number 4. Digital marketing manager. Leading teams and handling strategies. Number 5. Head of digital marketing. Overseeing entire marketing strategy. Number 6. CMO or entrepreneur. Running the show or even starting your own agency. Your growth in digital marketing depends on your skills, creativity and results, not just year of experience. Top digital marketing jobs in India. Number 1. SEO specialist, the Google Whisperer. SEO specialists are the people who hacks the Google algorithm to rank website at the top. Skills you need are keyword research, Google Search Console, Google Analytics, link building and website optimization. Number 2. Social media manager, the viral guru. Love scrolling Instagram? What if I told you brand will pay you to do that? Social media manager creates, schedule and manage posts to make brands go viral. Skills you need: social media strategies, Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn ads, community engagements. Number 3. PPC specialist, the paid ad expert. Ever clicked on an ad and wonder who decided to show me this? That's a PPC specialist working their magic. Skills you need: Google ads, Facebook ad, budget optimization, A/B testing and retargeting. Number 4. Content marketer, the storyteller. If you love writing, storytelling or vlogging, content marketing is your golden ticket. Brands need engaging content to attract and retain customers. Skills you need: SEO driven writing, vlogging, email marketing, video scripting and storytelling. Number 5. Digital marketing manager, the strategy boss. Once you master SEO, social media, PPC or content marketing, you can move up to a digital marketing manager role. Skills you need: marketing automation tool, HubSpot, MailChimp, data analysis and reporting, team leadership. Non-technical digital marketing roles: digital marketing strategist, planning, strategy and big picture thinking. This role is for people who love marketing but don't want to run campaigns. Number 2. Influencer marketing manager. Brands pay influencers and someone has to manage those partnerships. That's where you come in. Number 3. Affiliate marketing manager. Love commissions and sales. This role involves partnering with websites to promote products. Number 4. E-commerce marketing manager. If you love online shopping, why not market for e-commerce brands and help them scale? How to start your digital marketing career? Alright, so how do you get started? Number 1, learn the basics, take online courses. Number 2, get hands-on experience, start a vlog, run ads, or manage social media of a small business. Number 3, build a portfolio, show real projects to employers. Number 4, apply for the internship, gain industrial experience. Number 5, keep learning. Digital marketing changes fast. Now that you have uncovered the career roadmap in digital marketing, explore NIIT's digital marketing courses to kickstart your journey today. Our 23-week Digital Marketing with GenAI Advanced program will help you to gain a hands-on experience in e-commerce, search engine optimization, influencer marketing, content creation, and campaign planning integrated with GenAI. Also, check out our short-term specialization courses like SEO and Growth Marketing Specialist and Social Media and Influencer Marketing Specialist to gain expertise in your digital marketing skills. So, click on the links given in the description below and enroll today. Also, let me know in the comment section which digital marketing job interests you the most. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with anyone who's eager to kickstart their digital marketing career. See you next time.